Deepika Bajrao Mastani की जैसे आपने बात करी, there have been reports that you are a little bit upset with Priyanka's role in the film because उनका role काफी ज़्यादा है, and are you upset?
Do I look upset?
Not now, but there were reports. So
ज़्यादा रोल है?
Huh?
ज़्यादा रोल है?
I'm hearing this for the first time. Absolutely not. There's absolutely no truth to this, and I really request all of you also to not bring this up again after this, because we're already working in a very, very lovely environment where everyone is getting along with everybody. We have, all three of us have been given the same narration, the same script. We are very well aware of what we're getting into before getting into this film. And I think we're all very, very comfortable working with each other. So let's not try and complicate things when there is no issue. She's someone I'm extremely fond of. She's someone I respect a lot. And most importantly, I think she and I are, we know each other too well for any of this to affect that equation.
दीपिका, आज शाहरुख की बर्थडे पार्टी में आप जा रही हैं, आपकी तो आपकी तरफ से क्या बर्थडे गिफ्ट मिलने वाला है?
मैं जा रही हूँ खुद.
That's the gift.
That's the gift. No, I hope. I don't have a. I think in terms of material things, I don't think there's anything that he wants or needs. He's got everything. I just wish him a lot of love and happiness and success. Actually, not even success. He's got all of that also. Peace of mind, and I just want him to be happy, because I think that's what he's given us for so many years, through his songs, through his films, through his performances. He's given us so much love and happiness in our lives, and I wish him the same.
और एक चीज आप देखा कि आप एंजॉय करती है प्रोसेस को, जब फिल्म की शाहरुख के साथ आप पिछली पहली फिल्म भी आपकी शाहरुख के साथ थी, और इस फिल्म में भी वो प्रोसेस और बाकी जो दूसरे एक्टर्स हैं उनके साथ जो आपने काम किया, क्या डिफरेंस फील करते हैं ऑन सेट व्हाइल फिल्मिंग?
I won't say there's a difference. I think every co-star that I've worked with till today, or every experience that I've had till today on a film set, has been very, very pleasant. Which is why even in my films that didn't do well, I never regret any of them, because even if the films didn't do well at the box office, they are films. I've made friends. If Imran and Avantika and Shahana and all these people are my friends, it's because I did a film called Break Ke Baad. And okay, maybe the film didn't, wasn't received in the way that we expected it to, but I've got friends for life, and sometimes I think I value these things more than anything else. So of course, the success of a film makes the experience even better, but I think the journey and the people that you work with, and I genuinely feel like I've been fortunate to have worked with some really amazing people.
क्या कभी आप पीछे मुड़ के देखते हैं, जो उनकी पहली फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी उस दिन, रणबीर की भी पहली फिल्म रिलीज हुई, सोनम की भी पहली फिल्म रिलीज हुई, सोनम आपके साथ है, तो करियर को देखें तो आप कभी पीछे मुड़ के देखते हैं सोनम ने कितनी तरक्की पाई, या सोनम ने कितना ग्रो किया, आपने कितना ग्रो किया इस दरमियान?
No, not at all. Yeah, I don't think we're ever, looking. I'm at least never looking over my shoulder or, and wondering who's doing what. I think we're all really busy doing our own thing.
There was one more question.
Different films inspire different people. Everyone has a different career path. And no, not at all. It's not something that I've ever thought of.
Okay, there's one more.
And I shouldn't think of either.
और कोई सीनियर जिससे आप इंस्पायर होती हो, आपकी फीमेल?
I just said, no, I just answered her question. It's the same as mine.
And then when you work with Salman, do you think your films with him will be able to achieve more than what your films with Shah Rukh have managed to achieve? Will it surpass the achievement?
See, you don't get into a film expecting that, because then I think the entire reason for doing a film itself is wrong. Sometimes I hear people saying, listen, let's bring this actor and let's bring this director and then let's find a script. Yeah, exactly. People put projects together, and I personally don't function like that. I don't think you can put a project together. I don't think, so while this pairing is waiting to be explored, and it's amazing that this is the only question that I'm being asked today.
Yeah, exactly. I think
you can't plan that. Of course, I want every film of mine to be a success. But at the same time, like I said, I think the experience is more important. I want to enjoy the experience of working with Salman, and I think the end result will follow automatically if we choose the right script, if we choose the right director, if we come together for the film that we're destined to come together for, then it might go on to become a success. But if we end up doing a film for all the wrong reasons, I think that energy might translate on screen and may not do well.
On that note, I'm not going to ask you any question about, I think enough of asking about Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan. I want to ask you something very different, okay? The entire media faculty is here. You've had a little abrush with media recently in Times of India. Has your perspective changed towards media? Are you taking them seriously? Are you not taking them seriously? What is it now?
You should ask them.
See, I think they take you very seriously. I want to know your
No, it's not about taking anyone seriously. I don't think my equation with anybody has changed, honestly, if you ask me. My opinion is my opinion. And it doesn't mean that, I should have an issue with anyone, for that matter. I think I've met the media very well. They've been very kind to me. Forget how I am to them. I think they've been extra nice to me over the years, especially in the last 2-3 years where I've had a crazy time. And most importantly, so patient. They must be bored of seeing me event after event after event.
No, I think they love to see you.
I try and keep them entertained and answer everything that I can.
Now, this is going to be your second cover with Stardust. How does it feel?
Only second?
It's more than a second cover.
Yeah,
It is
it's not,
second.
no.
Second
It is
cover.
a second. So, what, how? I mean,
I need to work harder.
I really love. She really has to. Okay?
She needs to
Only
do a
my
photo shoot
second?
first.
No,
Yeah.
the other magazine she's been.
Oh, yes. Totally.
Savvy.
Yeah.
Totally.
Society. She's been on the other cover.
No, with Stardust. I specifically said
That's
Stardust. So.
second. He's very, he's sure what he's saying.
listening.
Only
He's
second.
definitely listening.
And your
I
photo
can
shoot is
take-
pending.
I can actually take 2 more questions and then we can wind this up. So, yes.
Deepika, who's your favorite co-star?
Oh, here we go.
You're not giving me options? This or that? How come? You're being kind today.
See, Amitabh Bachchan is shocked with the guys.
I was actually thinking that. I'm saying it's a tough choice between Nasiruddin Shah and Amitabh Bachchan.
Very nice. Okay, and then one more question.
On a lighter note, the last time you and
It doesn't get lighter than this. What are you saying?
The last time you and Ranveer worked together,
How is this light now?
I'm coming to it, the lighter part of it. Okay. He had fabulous hair. In fact, his hair played a character in Ram Leela when he went.
Yeah, it had its own thing, yeah.
And so this time he's gone bald, and people are gonna miss.
There'll be one less character.
Yeah.
There are already 3, it's not enough.
So this is the lighter part. That's what he wanted to say. This is the lighter part.
Yeah. But I'm sure he'll carry it off. I haven't seen the entire look, so I can't say, but I'm sure he'll carry it off.
Alright. I think on that note, I am going to finish this wonderful session here. Thank you so much.
Thank
Entire
you.
media. Thank you, Deepika. When okay, now.
Sorry.